We're here with Ewa Herr from the Ix Art Park and Looking Glass. What's the difference between the two, Ewa?
I'm glad you asked. So our nonprofit is actually the Ix Art Park Foundation. It was founded in 2019, and we operate the outdoor Ix Art Park and the indoor Looking Glass, which is an immersive art museum.
So I walked through the Looking Glass Art Museum, and there was a lot going on. Can you walk us through kind of what the inspiration was to create this fantastic artistic place?
Sure, absolutely. I mean, it's the collaborative work of over 25 local and regional artists. It's a permanent exhibit that we continue to add to. It was the vision of Susan Kerschel, who is our board president. And you know, it came together to create this amazing wonderland that you enter and are surrounded by art that speaks to you on all levels. That's the kind of the whole goal of an immersive art museum, that it's sight and sound and touch, smell sometimes. Is part of our mission to inspire creativity, to provide places that awaken your imagination, and I think both our art park and our indoor museum speak to that.
There's a really cool interactive portion of Looking Glass. I'm sure you get people from all sorts of ages and backgrounds and creativity levels, with me being on the bottom and everybody else being on top. Was that always part of the plan, to have an immersive aspect?
Absolutely. I mean, everybody can express themselves artistically and creatively, right? They just need the space and maybe the materials to do so. And that's what we're trying to provide here for our community and for our visitors.
If people want to learn more before they plan their visit here to the Ix Art Park and Looking Glass, how can they do that?
Ixartpark.org is our website. It has information both on the art park, on the artists that contributed to the Looking Glass, and more about our foundation and then how we got here. We actually have two separate accounts. So one is the Looking Glass and the other one is Ix Art Park.
All right, cool. Any final words of colorful inspiration?
No, come visit us and let us spark your creativity.
There it is.
Of your mind. So do every girl I've ever owned. Felt so bad for so long.